Hello, welcome to the Royal Oak Jockey to the Fair Oddington jig tutorial. This is the first of a couple of videos. This first video will look at the jig or the chorus, and I'll break it down into three sections. The first section consists of a sequence of side steps. The second section consists of 4 furry capers, and the third section consists of 4 plain capers, followed by a galley and hook leg. So let's start by looking at how it looks when it's danced with the music. So let's start with the side steps. It starts off with a side step right, followed by a double step, followed by a side step left, followed by a side step right, and then a second side step right, and then a side step left. The side steps are side step right, a double step, side step left, a side step right, a second side step right, and a side step left. That's the series of side steps. So that's the side steps. Let's now look at the furries. In the side steps you go into 4 furries. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, but you only do 1 change. And then you do 4 capers of 1, 2, 3, 4, which puts you on the right foot ready to do the galley and hook leg. The thing to remember on the 4th and final furry, instead of doing a left, right, left, just do a left and a right, which leaves you on the correct foot to do the galley and hook leg. So to recap, the side steps are side step right, double step, side step left, side step right, side step right again, side step left, and then come the galleys. So it's right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, plain capers 1, 2, 3, 4, you're on your right foot ready to do the galley and the hook leg. The thing to remember is on the 4th and final furry is to only do a left and a right, not a normal left, right, left. That leaves you on the correct foot, so once you finish the 4 plain capers, you can do a normal galley and hook leg. So, putting that all together with the music, here it is again. If you've come across this tutorial by accident but would like to join us, go to our website or our Facebook page and make contact and come along to one of our practices.